Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Linux Beta on your Chromebook because Virtualbox needs a container to run. Once done, allocate at least 10 GB so images fit. You will also download the Virtualbox. Deb and matching kernel headers into your Linux files. Make sure to back up any important data before toggling developer mode. It's risky and often unnecessary. Follow these first steps now because a clean, prepared environment saves time and prevents driver or space errors later. You next install Virtualbox inside the Linux container. Update packages first because mismatched dependencies break installs. Then install kernel headers that match your kernel and install the Virtualbox. Deb using dpkg or apt so dependencies are resolved. After installation, add your user to the VBox users group to grant USB and shared folder access. This matters for device pass-through. Finally, reboot the Linux container or restart the Chromebook to ensure kernel modules load and Virtualbox services initialize correctly. You finish by creating a VM. Pick the correct OS type, assign CPU cores and RAM conservatively, and use a dynamically allocated virtual disk to save space. After installation, add guest additions to enable clipboard sharing, folder mounts, and proper display scaling. These make the VM usable. If a VM refuses to start, check kernel modules with sudo modprobe vboxdev, inspect dmesc for errors, and make sure your Linux kernel headers match. Fixing that usually resolves the common startup failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.